Hello, Hopscotchers! Let's talk about randomness. You may have noticed this random block underneath the numbers here when you enter a value. Let's put it to use making a new project and see what it can do. First, we'll make a text object and call it number. Then we'll go to our backpack and make a new ability called pick a number. We'll drag over set text, and here in the blank, we'll drag in random, and we'll say between 1 and 10. Okay? Next, we'll go to our text object and tell it when the iPad is tapped, pick a number. Let's see what that does. Every time I tap, it changes to a new random number. Sometimes you see a number again, or the same number twice in a row, but it's always a surprise. Now, to make things more interesting, let's change up the range. So now it'll choose a number between 1 and 1,000,000. Play that again. See? No problem. But random can do more than just show you numbers. It can do stuff with the numbers it picks. Look at this project I made called Peekaboo. It gets a bit boring doing where's monkey, peekaboo over and over again in the same way. So let's edit the ability. We'll change the number in this wait block from 1,000 milliseconds to random between 500 and 5,000 milliseconds. Now let's play it again. That's just about interesting enough to entertain the average baby. In this Peekaboo project, we're using randomness to add an element of surprise, which is really great for games and things that repeat. Another great thing about randomness is that you don't only have to use it for numbers. Here's a project I made where Gorilla draws random shapes. The first thing that happens is that Gorilla chooses a random color, a random angle, and a random interval. And then he uses those values to make a drawing. The result is different every time because the values are random. So now you know all about randomness. You can use the random block to put surprises into your projects, but remember to say what kind of surprise you want, or you might get weird stuff. Here's what happened when I made a mistake and set Gorilla's angle to random between 1 and 100. The links to all the projects we talked about are below this video, along with a few we didn't talk about for you to explore on your own. Thanks for watching, Hopscotchers! Remember to have ideas and make mistakes. That's how we learn.